Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve remaining question of chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shape for class 6. This content is from IMO Olympiad Workbook 21-22 MTG publication by Mahavir Singh. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 16. If a bicycle wheel makes 4.5 turns, then the number of right angle through which it turns is dash. So for full turn, bicycle wheel will make 4 right angle, and for half turn it will make 2 right angle. For 1 turn it makes 4 right angles, so for 4 turns it will make 4 into 4 16 right angle, and for half turn it will make 2 right angles, so 16 plus 2 is 18. So here B is correct answer. Question number 17. A quadrilateral having one and only one pair of parallel side is called dash. Option A, a parallelogram. In parallelogram there are two pair of parallel side. Option B, a rectangle. In a rectangle there are no pair of parallel side. In option C, a rhombus. Rhombus have two pair of parallel side. So here none of these. D is correct answer. Question number 18. How many triangles are there in the net of triangular pyramid? In triangular pyramid there are 4 triangles. This 1, 2, 3 and down 4. So here A is correct answer. Question number 19. Select the correct option. Option A, the two pair of parallel side is trapezium. In trapezium there are only one pair of parallel side. So it is incorrect option. In option B, a rhombus with 4 right angle is rectangle. The rhombus with 4 right angle is called square. So this option is also incorrect. Option C, parallelogram with 4 right angle is rectangle. This is correct option. So here C is correct answer. Question number 20. Which of following shape has all the faces identical? In cube all the faces are identical. So here C is correct answer. Question number 21. How many right angles are formed when R hand of a clock moves from A 2 to 8 and B 6 to 9? From 2 to 8 means it will make 2 right angle, and from 6 to 9 means it will make 1 right angle. So here D is correct answer. Question number 22. Which of the following can be divided into 2 triangles? Option A, parallelogram can be divided into 2 triangles. Square also can be divided into 2 triangles. Rectangle also can divided into 2 triangles. So all of this. D is correct answer. Question number 23. Study the given figure carefully and match the following. In column A, option A is angle AOB. AOB is a acute angle less than 90. Then option B, AOE. AOE is right angle 90 degree. AOC is obtuse angle more than 90 degree. And BOD is a straight angle 180 degree. So here C is correct answer. Question number 24. The number of vertices of a triangular prism is dash the number of vertices of a square pyramid. In square pyramids there are 5 vertices, and in triangular prism there are 6 vertices. So number of vertices of triangular prism is always greater than the vertices of square pyramid. So here B is correct answer. Question number 25. A man is standing facing north. In which direction he will face if he makes option A 1.5 revolution clockwise and option B 3/4 revolution anti-clockwise? Now here this side is north, this south, this east and west. If he is facing north, so for 1.5 revolution clockwise, this full revolution and again half revolution, means he will face south. So here south direction, and B 3/4 revolution anti-clockwise. 3/4 revolution anti-clockwise means he will turn anti-clockwise, so he will face east. So here C is correct answer. Question number 26, state T for true and F for false. Option A, a quadrilateral is a 5-sided polygon. This is false statement because quadrilateral has 4 sides. Option B, all the 4 sides of rhombus are equal. Though all sides of rhombus are equal. This is true statement. A trapezium has all angles equal. The all angles of trapezium are not equal. So this statement is false. Option D, half of a revolution is a straight angle. Half revolution means 180 degree and 180 degree means straight angle. So this statement is true. So here B is correct answer. Question number 27, select the incorrect option. Here rectangular prism is a correct figure. Octahedron is also correct figure. Triangular prism is like this. So this is incorrect figure, and tetrahedron is also correct figure. So only C is incorrect. So C is correct answer. Question number 28, fill in the blanks. Option 1, the opposite sides of parallelogram are P and Q. The opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and parallel. Option 2, a quadrilateral having only one pair of opposite sides parallel is called a trapezium. Option 3, a parallelogram having all sides equal is called as a rhombus. So here C is correct answer. Question number 29, which of the following figures satisfy the given condition? Option 1, figure faces 4, edges 6 and vertices 4. So in option C there are 4 faces, this 1, 2, backside 3 and down 4, edges 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and vertices 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And figure 2 faces 5, so this 1, down 2, this 3, front 4, this backside 5, and edges this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here C is correct answer. Question number 30, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, a right angle is a half of a revolution. A right angle is 1/4 of revolution. This statement is incorrect. B, a straight angle is 1/4 of revolution. Straight angle means 180, means half revolution. Straight angle is a half of a revolution. So this statement also incorrect. Option C, the measure of reflex angle is greater than the straight angle. The straight angle is 180 and reflex angle is more than 180. So measure of reflex angle is always greater than straight angle. It is a correct statement. And option D, the angle formed in one revolution is a reflex angle. For one complete revolution 360 degree, angle is 360 degree, means it is complete angle. So it is called as a complete angle. This statement also false. So here only correct statement is C. C is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.